Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80200070 during installation or updating of Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now, earlier I would have said that you can simply delete any task which is using a lot of memory. Okay, I can adjust it by memory, but that's not the case now. Now we have something called as the efficiency mode. So just make sure that you are using the efficiency mode for the right task. It automatically shifts the tasks to or efficiency mode. Okay, and if there is any task which is utilizing a lot of system resources but is not required, then simply end that task. And here's one more thing that I do. I go to the startup apps tab. I click on status to arrange all of these by status. Then I right click on unnecessary processes and disable them. Okay, so all unnecessary processes will be disabled, and then I will simply reboot my system. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Why? Because now all of these processes will not start at startup itself unless you specifically trigger them, and that will be very, very helpful in solving a lot of our problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.